Are you brand new to TikTok and you're trying to figure out how to use trends for your business? Well, stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you how to use trends on TikTok to help you generate more leads. You can ultimately make more money. I'm Keenya Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today to talk to you about how you can use trends for your business. It's really important to understand this about TikTok. You don't have to necessarily dance. You don't necessarily have to be goofy, but TikTok does have a culture. If you spend about 15 or 20 minutes on TikTok, you're going to notice that it's kind of like a whole new world. A whole new world. Kind of like Ariel in like the Little Mermaid. Anyway, you're going to notice that it's like a whole new world. And it really is. A lot of times people that have a business find themselves going, well, I don't understand. How do they take this audio and make it about that? Well, let's talk about this today. So one of the things to understand about TikTok and about trends is that a lot of times what happens on TikTok is that it's not that TikTok has set out this trend and said, everybody do this. But what happens is that someone typically does something on the platform. They bring an audio or they say something or they do say something while they're doing something. And then someone just picks up on it and uses it as a, something for their videos. What I started to do back in 2020 was I saw these like trending audios, these trending things that people were doing. And I was trying to determine how can I take that concept and actually make it about my business. And so here's the thing to understand. Number one, it's not going to be normal for you to do this. When you're first looking at these trends, it's going to feel a bit confusing. You're not going to see how in the world they were able to take that and do that. And then you have your business and what it is you're offering. You're going to find yourself being confused about taking that and making it about your business. But if you focus on it and you make it very intentional with you trying to do it on a regular basis, then it's going to come easier to you. I've been doing it now for almost 3 years. So it comes second nature to me, but it wasn't that way initially. So here's the deal. So there's this sound on TikTok that everybody knows that has been there for a while. And it says, oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. And so when you hear that sound or you see the videos with that sound, the culture of the TikTok platform knows something bad is going to happen. You were doing something and then it was like, oh no. And then this happened. So you were getting ready to have a drink of something and you set your glass down and then you look and then, oh no. Oh no, oh no, no, no. You actually drop the glass on the floor. That's more from an entertaining standpoint. But as a business, for me, I'm a business consultant and I teach people how to use TikTok for marketing. I would take that same concept and I would say, okay, what is it that would happen to me in my business that my customer that I'm trying to target to get in front of me can relate to? Because here's the deal. When you do these videos and you're using these trends for your business, your number one focus is how can I get more views of my target customer on this video. So what you're going to want to do is you have to think through scenarios where your audience could understand. So for example, let's just say that you're someone and you're like, okay, I'm going to make TikToks on my 15-minute break. So now you're in the stairwell and you've got your phone propped up, you got a ring light on it, and you're doing whatever you're doing in the stairwell of your company. And while you're doing this video, you look in the camera and you see your boss is in the background and you're like, oh no, oh no. Oh, no, 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 no. That's relatable because nobody wants to get caught by their boss doing anything. Or you take that same sound, right? And I could actually be where I'm acting like I'm typing on the computer and I hit send and then I go, oh no. Oh no, oh no, no, no. And I'm like, oh no. And then my text on screen says, when I send an email to 20,000 people with the wrong link. The average person that has email marketing, has done email marketing, understands sending an email with the wrong link or broken link or without a link at all. So it's really about how do you you have to think about the trend that is happening and you just have to think through potential scenarios of what you could do with something. So for example, right now on TikTok, what has been trending is this sound called "It's Corn." And that's this little boy who's talking about, I just love corn. And so that's the sound. He's saying it's corn. It's corn. I just love corn. I love corn. And then some people have taken that sound and they've actually added music to it. And it's like, it says, "It's corn, a big something, knob, something." It's this whole song that is going, right?
Me, I really like corn.
What do you like about corn?
It's corn. A big corn with knobs. It has the juice. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing. It's corn. I can tell you all about it. I mean, look at this thing. When I try them, I don't anything in.
And so even though he's saying it's corn, you could be talking about serum, night serum, where people are like, you're like, there's like text on screen and people are asking you, well, how old are you? And you're like, I'm 55. And they're like, how are you 55? You look 21. And the text says, if the sound may say it's corn, but you might say it's serum, which could be your company's vitamin C age-defying serum. Is that making sense? Or for example, you see where I have my book back there and people are like, how in the world did you quit your job? Da, 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 da. And then I could actually just do this. I could just show a copy of my book. I would say, it's this. And then I could just like, be showing me like flipping through the book and just, whatever it is I'm doing there. And I'm like, just looking at the screen saying, you got to get yourself a copy. Even though they can't hear me because they're focused on it's corn, it's saying it's corn, but we're saying this is the book to answer your solution. So again, I know that this kind of sounds like, but that doesn't make any sense. But that's why it's so important for you to learn the culture of the platform. Because to take a sound like it's corn and to sell a book would be crazy to a person that doesn't understand short form video or doesn't understand what's happening on TikTok. But once you're spending that time on the platform, then it's going to become very easy for you to take a scenario and turn it for business. But also what you can do is you can actually go to people's accounts on TikTok that are business people, and you can look at different trends that they are using to promote their product or service, and it's going to help churn your wheels. Because if you're trying to go from this way of thinking and being in your marketing efforts to this way, then more than likely you're going to need some type of guide, someone to help you. Now, granted, we can help you inside of our course. We have a course called Monetize and Talk. It's at the link in the description. You can actually join a course like that can help you, or you can actually be watching from those of us like me that take trends and we flip them for our businesses. Okay. I hope that you found this video helpful for you and that you will start testing out how to use trends for your business, because that is what works. That's what's working on TikTok and Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels and all the different social platforms right now that are using short form video. But again, if you need assistance with this for your business, we will be honored to assist you. You can click the link in the comments for our course, Monetize and Talk, and make sure you like and subscribe to this video.